we're nearly at the point where we'll see who is qualifying with the 30 fastest going through to the semi-final.
Minazova next to come down. She was a Tokyo Olympian, 14th in the C1, 17th in the K1. Finished 47th yesterday in the time trial. Had a couple of penalties on the way down. But in touch on time, still Logacheva, I should say, from the authorised neutral team, who leads.
A bit of a wobble there in the final stopper move, but her time is looking solid. Final sprint. Trying to beat that 108.49 from Tasia Logacheva. And she goes into first.
108.34. So a new leader.
0.15 in front.
I actually haven't had a clean run yet. Hasn't been an athlete that's come down